I have the body of an 18-year-old. I keep it in the fridge. Spike Milligan, Irish-English comedian. Spike Milligan was a renowned Irish-English comedian, writer, poet, and playwright, best known for his groundbreaking work on the radio comedy show, The Goon Show. His unique blend of surreal humor and whimsical storytelling has left an indelible mark on the world of comedy, influencing generations of comedians and entertainers. This gem hails from Quip and Quirk, Revelations in Raillery and Rhetoric, a delightful collage of sparkling moments, each meticulously selected with the discerning touch of Calivox's curation.